Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This time we got a gear review from our good friends over at Geertop. The same people that sent me my truck tent from our cross-country trip have sent me an awning to check out and review. So let's get into this thing and see what's in the bag. Let's see what we got in the bag from Geertop. First thing, we got our tent stakes, anodized aluminum, super nice. And we have some suction cups that go to cars, SUVs, and trucks if you want to use it as a car tent. Some extra strapping, always use that. And then we got 4 bundles of guideline, and it's also reflective guideline. We have 2 sets of tent poles. We have an extra wall for the awning itself and can be used as more of the awning. And then we have the awning itself. Let's put it up and see how it goes. So this is my first time setting this product up, and so far it goes up just like a tent. Put the tent poles in, put them in the receiver, and set it up. Now in this application, I just have it temporarily set up against my little camper there. When I go out camping, I'll set it up in a more permanent fashion. Okay guys, a little product disclaimer here. The vertical poles that you see me setting up now, this product does not come with these poles. You have to buy those separate. But you can get them on Amazon. These come from Cabela's. They're not that expensive. And most people that camp and mess with tarps already have these laying around anyways. This awning can be set up in multiple applications. Against a camper, car, truck, SUV, against a house, if you're tailgating, having a cookout, whatever, fishing on the riverbank. You can even set this up as a standalone unit if you have 4 of the extendable poles. Well, let's look at some of the features of this. You got your guidelines, ripstop material, a back wall that comes with it with extra mesh pockets for your toilet paper, Doritos, extra shoes, cell phone, whatever you want to put in them. A hook for a light or a fan. And all the necessary hardware to hook it up to whatever application you need. I almost forgot, you can add extra walls to 2 sides of this with just a zipper. And you can use these extra walls to make extra awning space if you really want more shade. I'm telling you, this really is an awesome product. Coming in at 8 foot by 8 foot, it covers whatever you need while you're out camping. And at the $150 price point, it is perfect for your adventures. Now, let's see how well it packs back in the bag. Because you know, once you take brand new gear out, it never goes back in like it's supposed to. Stay on the straight and narrow. We'll meet up at the end. Cramped up on the inside at the thought of losing you. But I'll try again. I'll try again. Stay on the straight and narrow. So there you have it, the awning from Geertop Outdoors. Now I will say my only point of contention with this product is it does not come with tarp or tent poles for the corners. Most people already have these. You can get them off of Amazon. I got these from Cabela's. They're pretty cheap. That's my only thing about this tent or awning is that it doesn't come, you have to buy other poles for it. Other than that, great product, worth every penny. Go check them out.